Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to remove Capcut logo on mobile. So if you use Capcut on your mobile phone like Android or iPhone, and now you want to remove or delete the Capcut logo or the Capcut watermark added to the bottom right or top or bottom left of your videos, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Literally, to remove Capcut watermark, you want to subscribe to Capcut Pro. So without the Capcut Pro, you won't be able to remove the watermark again. Unlike before, when you start a project like this, you had your project, then the watermark will be behind here. Then you should say, if you go ahead, delete ending, and now the moment you use any pro feature like background noise remover on Capcut, like this, you'll no longer be able to remove the watermark. Now for you to not remove the watermark on Capcut, this is what you need to do. Close the Capcut video editing. Click on the settings icon at the top right. Then it should say add default ending. That is the Capcut watermark. To remove the Capcut watermark, just remove add default ending. Then it should say discard ending. Yes. Just need to go ahead and click on discard to remove the Capcut watermark or Capcut logo on your video. Then if you go ahead and open a new project, click on add to add a project, then you should see that the Capcut watermark is still available. Now what you just need to do is click on it here, split, then delete it. Then that's it. There's no longer the Capcut watermark. So if you go ahead and export your video, this is going to remove the Capcut watermark on your video. But if you choose to use a pro feature like noise reduction, and you are not on a premium account, the Capcut watermark will be added automatically to your video. So that's exactly how to remove Capcut watermark. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.